I just realized that I mess up these leashes like at least, I don't know, once every couple months, and this is how I fix them. The newer ones don't have screws for you to just simply unscrew and take apart. They have like these embedded screws that you have to smack on the concrete like this, not like that, like that, and it'll split them open. And yeah. And right now it doesn't have a lot of tension in it, so I'm going to wind it in this direction so it'll have a little bit more tension. Usually just like 2 revolutions. You can feel where, yeah, that's good. And then feed it through. My ram broke it last night because there was some crazy ass animal attacking some other animal, and he freaked out and busted it. So you want to make a loose knot so it doesn't retract back in there before you're able to tie it to the strand that's still around his neck. And that's how you fix them. They eventually will lose their retraction strength, and so you have to do that also. Bust them open and give them a couple of rotations to increase their tension. Cool. Good to go. Go get my Rammy man. He's right over the edge, tethered to a stake.